Hello, I am Dr. Siva Prasad. I am a scientist with Defense, DRDO, and a project director.
Yeah, I am Padmaja. I am working as a senior technical manager related to defense.
My house is ground plus 2 floors. So initially we thought we don't need a lift, but gradually we understood it's very difficult to climb 2 floors on regular basis. So, and we have in the second floor some small garden also. Then we felt that a lift is a must, and even my relatives, when they come, they will not be able to climb this. So they are limited to the they will be limited to the ground floor. But because of this, they are able to go up and enjoy all the scenarios. And even personally myself also, I need not postpone because of the steps. Any number of times I can go up and come down. It is really very comfortable experience. First thing when I wanted to put up a lift, first thing it came to my mind is the safety. Safety is the utmost important, and both of us are professionals. We have seen so many countries and so many lifts and all. We always the electrical lifts, we feel they are unsafe. Particularly they need regularly to be maintained. And coming to the hydraulics, you may have I have some expertise in hydraulics. It may leak, the oil leak and other problems will be there. Then I have seen German vacuum lifts. Then I came to know that it is manufactured in India itself now. Then when I went to the Nibav shop, then I was really liked the way they are because it works on the air only. It is just sucking like a vacuum sucker. So even power fails, it can maximum come down slowly. The air cannot vanish all of a sudden. It passes through small holes, so safely it lands. So this safety, I liked it very much. Then in fact I promoted it also among my friends.
We were very particular about the interiors and the aesthetics of the house and beauty of the house. So frankly, we did not like the electrical lifts, which is like a box, and it is very huge and bulky. It doesn't go with the interior. Then when we have seen the Nibav lift, it is just like a home appliance, which adds and enhances the beauty of the interior, and it really fitted into our house and it added beauty to our interiors.
In fact, most of the interior, if you see, it is done by my daughter, and the color scheme and all those things is done by my daughter. We have given importance to white color, if you see that. So I want my lift to enhance that beauty. That is one point. The second point is, as she mentioned, that it should not block my view, because if it blocks, my hall will look small and all those things. So it should blend, safety, blending with the surroundings, and it should not block it. Then it should give a luxurious view. That is, these are the considerations which we have. Whoever comes to my house, this is the most attractive point.
Yeah.
So everybody goes for a ride, and they enjoy going up and coming down. And they also surprised that vacuum lift they have not seen. None of my relatives have seen, and my friends here in this colony, we promoted also 4 or 5 people who have bought because of seeing this. And whoever comes, first attractive point is in the lift. It is a major safety. After safety, the aesthetics. These are the 2 important things I have seen. As I said, it is not blocking the view. My house, it is looking very big, and when you are going up and coming down 360 degrees, visibility is there, view is there. So it's really good. Nibav lifts, they have done a great job. They are very prompt in their responses and all, highly professional. Even we had initial, teething problems will be there. Any equipment will have teething problems. 1 or 2 times we had some issues. They came promptly and they immediately attended. You go for it. I strongly recommend. It is not only as a lift. You enjoy the view, the luxury of the lift, and the aesthetic. It enhances your house.
We are very happy about this Nibav lift.